Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Hey guys, this is Just One Guy, and I'm back here with another update. Now, as you see before, I was working on Project Hermes, and I got pretty far with the project, which is a game engine on top of the Unity game engine to make the development of all my future games go faster. And in this update, it's pretty small, but what I did was just changed around some of the mobile controls, which actually work really good on mobile. I tried to emulate a Xbox controller on mobile, and with the vibrations and stuff, it actually works really good. It feels better than most of the mobile games I've actually played, and it's really intuitive just to use these controllers buttons right here. Beyond that, I did something pretty cool right here. So now I can just edit everything in game. If I put the game in dev mode and I click on the character, I can edit any of his stats. See if I wanted him to move really fast. And now I'm running at 30 miles per hour, I guess. I don't know how Unity calculates speed. I guess it's 30 meters per second. But now I can just go in directly and edit any of this on both PC, mobile, any platform I want, which is really helpful for development. Let's see if I want to change the jump to 20, and let's just lower that speed back down. And you can see it all just works. Let me change that duration to 4, because that's why the jump looks so crazy. Also, he's jumping, 20 meters high. So, yeah. Anyway, that's what I've been working on. And it's a small update, but it's pretty necessary. And to getting it all working. I've also just been working on game feel. Just how the game, how everything feels in the game, just to make it better. And you can see that through the little animations with the jump and everything like that. Because I feel like the most important thing is like how your game feels, and to make all the controls and just the movement in general move in the game feel right. Let me reset that. Yeah, for some reason it's not resetting. I still got some little bugs to work out, but all in all, it's going pretty well. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested in anything I'm doing, or you just want to follow the channel, please like and subscribe, and check out my socials in the description down below.